Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to check security in your Google Pixel 9 Pro. So to this operation, slide up, scroll down and go to settings. Then scroll down and go to the security and privacy. Click on it. And here you have the this may be a risk in myself. This is alerts about your phone. And you can accomplish this alerts by setting, in this case, setting a lock screen to allow the risk in your phone. You can see the more alerts for your security of your phone. So in that case, I have add the Google account, and there is the settings to device unlock. Yes, you can. It's only swipe. You can up security. It's okay. I can security add the Google account, delete finders. You can add it when you add the Google account. And there is a system update at the Google account. So this is all about the security in my phone, but you can check how it looks like in your phone. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.